Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to start about food and drink for lunch. Hey, over. Before we go to supermarket, tell me what food and drink do you have in your chicken right now? And what do you want to buy?
Well, in my kitchen there are some eggs and there is some milk. But there are any vegetables. I also have a love of rice, but I don't have any chicken. I want to be some tomatoes, some lettuce, and a few apples. I also want to buy a bottle of juice because I don't have an drinks at home. Greek, no, Sebastian. What about you? What food and drinks do you have in your kitchen? And what do you want to buy?
Well, in my chicken there is some black, and there are some orange, but I don't have any copy, and there isn't any butter. I also had a lot of cereal, but not milk. I want to buy some milk, some butter, and I few banana. I also want to buy some coffee because I drink it every morning.
Perfect. What would need different feelings so let's make a list.
Grace, now we are ready. Let's go to the supermarket.
Okay.
Bye.